I'm Dr. Gemma Sharp. I'm an NHMRC Early Career Senior Research Fellow and Clinical Psychologist at Monash University. My research focuses on understanding the causes of body image concerns and developing novel treatments for these concerns. Over 1 million Australians are experiencing an eating disorder, but less than 1 in 4 ever seek support in their lifetime. This means that 3/4 of people are never getting evidence-based treatment. I think people may have the misunderstanding that eating disorders are a diet gone wrong, a cry for attention, being vain or superficial. What they don't realise is that eating disorders are one of the most deadly psychiatric illnesses and require a multidisciplinary team in order to treat them effectively. They are very serious. More than 1 in 3 young people are concerned about their body image. Body image concerns are one of the strongest predictors for the development of eating disorders, which are some of the most fatal psychiatric illnesses. The main focus of my research is the use of digital mental health tools like conversational agents or chatbots, and whether these can help young people with their body image concerns where they need the most help, which is generally online, particularly social media. In our pilot chatbot, we found that young people really appreciated having that 24/7 evidence-based body image support. And we found that over 20,000 young people accessed our chatbot in under a year. We found that they actually improved their body image or sense of body image and overall mental health through using the chatbot. With mental health services already completely overwhelmed with demand, online treatment and digital mental health really is the future. So it's such a thrill to be in this space, and I really do think in years to come people will be accessing treatment online more than ever before and in a personalised and tailored way. The COVID-19 pandemic really accelerated innovation in the digital mental health space, and I think people were more willing than ever before to utilise these digital mental health tools. Through our pilot work, we know now that chatbots can supplement mental health helpline services, which have been very much in demand and oversubscribed, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. So these chatbots can support people when helplines are offline or simply completely overwhelmed with demand, which is really great. We want all people who are reaching out for support to be able to get evidence-based support, and a chatbot might be the answer to that.